Okusimwa kwa Make Bushenyi Great Again nukuratira umujinya gubatira mu kurwanisa enguzi kandi omyaka mukaga enyuma ekitongore kinagisa abakozi ba government hamwe n'ebindi bitongore sente zirikwingana obuhumbi buna.
Tutandikire campaign erikwetwa Say No to Corruption. Office ya IGG ekakora research kamara myaka 3 ekyarugira mu research ekyo kikagira ngo ihangariza Uganda tuburwa 10 trillion shillings per year.
Ortaya yorwa karisharisho mu Bushenyi rukorirwa har Premier Hotel omutawuni ya Bushenyi.
I remember there is one time they were in the council hall bakabatandika kwesho ngurechesho ngurukihanga. When we got out of our vehicles na nechesho ngurutubara Chelsea. That was during the public service saga.
One of the greatest challenges is denial of access to information or limited information actually. On government projects, BOQs, designs, they don't give you. So one of the things we will be asking you to do is to make sure that I am making recommendations in the next slide. Justice or obstruction of justice, because to investigate and prosecute these matters especially takes a lot of time.
Omureberezo waho umwireyo n'akatonene bwa nyuma yo kuhura ripota ya IGG aho bw'omwaka ogwire ashabire buri muntu okugutwara nk'omwuga ogwo kurwanisa oburo bw'enguzi.
Mbwene encouragement yatuha mbwitwe nitwe twenka citizens kureba lifestyle y'omuntu ikoreba kana tunga umushahara kwingana nti abwenja kuzana ibintu nk'ebi. Such people to be reported nkuko yakigama nkuko wabera mu cweka cyumwe ayigwiramisho g'abantu bamanya abwenje bisibe bine nebergankayi.
Bwa nyuma karisharisha bwine abaturo mutawuni yishaka abamugambire kizibe kiri omwihanga.
Ndo waza kuchondoza no shanga hiyo buri more corrupt. Corruption abantu abakira kugikomitinga omuna in a big way. Abantu abashomere bakaza higuru, abantu abinenero moya higuru, abantu abakumanye kibaro, abantu abo bine corruption ni batwara ibintu binyi bya government.
Omuntu waburiza muri approachment na basofta cyetegereza konka bur contract yone kuza kuhebwa government entity irabo approachment haza ebintu niyo bugwi no sangwa rukuto bakambira ngo batireho billion nk'itano ukahoreba urana miliyoni 10 zitaruhu.
Chairman w'entebe ya katana wa district ya Bushenyi Jafar Basajja Baraba ashabire karisharisho kutondoza enshonga yo kubaganisa mu abakozi ba government omushara ekiresereho kuzingamya obuhereza bwa government.
When you look at the salary disparities, I don't know where you went to talk about it, the issue of salary. Even most of the arts employees of government are demotivated because of that.
Amakuraga gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.